Now we will do GK. We had completed the first chapter and now we will do the second chapter. Second chapter, Seven Wonders of the World. Here are some pictures and help box is also there. We have to write the seven wonders of that picture and we have to write from which country that one of the wonder was there. So first of all we will see the first one. What is it? Do you know that? That is Colosseum. And what is Colosseum? Colosseum is an oval amphitheater in the center of the city Rome. रोम सिटी में ये ओवल शेप का एक एम्फी थिएटर है जो जो इटली कंट्री में है. It was the largest amphitheater ever built at the time and held 50,000 to 80,000 spectators. उस समय में ये सबसे बड़ा थिएटर था कि जिसमें एक साथ 50,000 to 80,000 spectators वहां पर बैठ के देख सकते थे. So here in first A we have to write Colosseum from the help box and B we have to write the country of that one of the wonder that we have to write here Italy. Now here number 2, what is it? That is Chichen Itza. Chichen Itza was one of the largest Maya cities and it was likely to have been one of the mythical great cities. So here you have to write Chichen Itza and the name of the country you have to write here Mexico. Now next, third one. I think that picture all of you know that what is it? That is Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is built by order of the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his favorite wife. The Taj Mahal is the jewel of Muslim art in India and one of the universally admired masterpiece of the world's heritage. ताजमहल के बारे में तो सबको पता ही है. So now in third A you have to write Taj Mahal and what is the country of this Taj Mahal? Yes, we have to write here India. Now, now next is what is the fourth one? Yes, here it is. What is the fourth one? Can you see in this? That is the statue of Jesus Christ. What it is called? It is called Christ the Redeemer history. Sorry, Christ the Redeemer. So that is the statue of Jesus Christ and it was completed in 1931 and stands. Do you know how much long it is? It is 98 feet, means almost 30 meters tall and it's horizontally outstretched arms spanning 92 feet. So this is the statue of Jesus Christ. Here you have to write Christ the Redeemer and the country of this wonder, that is Brazil. So here at the place of country you have to write Brazil. Now we will see fifth one. Do you know what is it? That is ruins of Petra. What is it? Local people have long known about the ruins of an ancient city called Petra, hidden deep within the desert of modern day. The country of that is Jordan. And today, Petra is one of the world's most famous archaeological sites. Still, only 5% of the city has been uncovered and many mysteries remain. Yep. So you have to write here ruins of Petra and the name of the city, that is Jordan. Now we will see sixth one. Sixth one is the picture of Machu Picchu. This is the one of the wonder of the world. So here you have to write A. Machu Picchu. What is it? Machu Picchu is one of the most important archaeological sites in the world. And from which country it is? You have to write here Peru. The name of the country is Peru. Now the last one, seventh, the picture is there. That is the picture of Great Wall of China. The Great Wall of China is the collective name of a series of fortification systems generally built across the historical northern borders of China to protect and consolidate territories of Chinese states and empires against various nomadic groups of the steppe and their polities. So this is the Wall of China. You have to write here the Great Wall of China and the name of the country, that is China. So these are the seven wonders of the world that we had written. I will send the answer copy of this page also in Teno. Now we will do the next chapter. Now chapter number 3, surface water sports. See, here are some sports that can all the people enjoy on the water. Now see, here it is written there are various surface water sports that are enjoyed by people across the world. पूरी दुनिया में ये पानी में खेले जाने वाले जो स्पोर्ट्स है वो पूरी दुनिया में सब लोग एंजॉय करते हैं. Look at the pictures and identify them. Write their names in the given blanks. So here all the sports are given. जो पानी में खेले जाते हैं वो सारे स्पोर्ट्स के पिक्चर्स दिए हैं. हमें वो सारे स्पोर्ट्स के नाम लिखने हैं. So now first one, do you know that what is it? Two boats are there. What is it? The first one is boat racing. What is it? Boat racing. Second, what is it? That is called yachting. What it is called? Yachting. Third one, where is third one? Oh, here it is. Third one is parasailing. What it is called? Parasailing. Fourth one, here it is. Fourth one, it is called rafting. Then fifth one, here it is fifth one, that is kayaking. Then sixth one, here it is, that is water skiing. Then seventh one, that is rowing. That all of you know, I think so. That is rowing. And eighth one, what is it? That is windsurfing. So these are the sports that all the people enjoy on water surface. You have to remember the name of these games. Okay, so all of you try to remember this, and you have to complete chapter number second and third. I am sending answer in Teno, so you write in your this textbook only. You don't have to make any notebook for this GK subject. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.